Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of $SMAT, the SUMATIWORLD token. We'll be exploring how you can buy and understand this crypto coin, which is available on MEXC Global and the ARBITRUM network. Oh, what exactly is the $SMAT, or SUMATIWORLD token? It's designed to serve a specific purpose and provide utility within the SUMATIWORLD ecosystem. Its functionality may include governance, rewards, or access to certain features. Briefly, let's cover its tokenomics encompassing the total supply, distribution strategy, and if there's any planned burning mechanism. Let's cover where you can acquire $SMAT. You have two main options: MEXC Global, a centralized exchange, and Camelot, a decentralized exchange on ARBITRUM. On MEXC Global, you'll need to create an account, go through their KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification process, deposit funds like USDT, and then trade the USDT for $SMAT. Alternatively, on Camelot, you'll need to connect a wallet, like MetaMask, and if necessary, bridge funds like ETH to the ARBITRUM network before swapping them for $SMAT. ET's walk through the step-by-step process of buying $SMAT on MEXC Global. First, you'll need to create a MEXC account using the provided link, filling out the required information like your email and a secure password. Then, it's crucial to complete the KYC verification, which typically involves submitting required documents such as your ID and proof of address. After verification, you can deposit funds, specifically USDT, by navigating to the deposit section on MEXC, choosing USDT, selecting your preferred network like TRC20 or ERC20, copying the deposit address, and sending USDT from your external wallet. Finally, trade USDT for $SMAT by navigating to the $SMAT/USDT trading pair, choosing a buy order type, entering the amount you want to spend, and confirming the transaction. If you opt for Camelot on ARBITRUM, here's how to buy $SMAT. Start by installing and setting up a wallet like MetaMask. Make sure to securely store your seed phrase. Next, connect your wallet to the ARBITRUM One network by adding it to MetaMask using the necessary network details like the chain ID and RPC URL. If needed, bridge funds like ETH from Ethereum mainnet to ARBITRUM using a bridging option like the ARBITRUM Bridge or HOP protocol. Finally, swap for $SMAT on Camelot by going to the DX platform, connecting your wallet, selecting the tokens you want to swap, such as ETH, for $SMAT, and confirming the transaction in your wallet. Before you jump in, it's important to be aware of the risks and considerations. Crypto markets are known for their volatility, so price fluctuations are a real possibility. When providing liquidity on DXs, you could face impermanent loss. Be aware of the potential for bugs or vulnerabilities in smart contracts. Always prioritize the security of your wallet and private keys. Most importantly, DYOR, or do your own research before investing. In conclusion, remember that $SMAT is available on both MEXC and Camelot. Always conduct thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency. You can find relevant resources like the SUMATIWORLD website, MEXC, and Camelot linked below. Start your journey with $SMAT today, or explore the SUMATIWORLD ecosystem with $SMAT. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.